Have you ever wondered why insurance costs keep climbing even though the global insurance industry makes nearly $6 trillion every year? And yet, despite all that money, most people have no idea how their premiums are calculated or what biases are behind those decisions. Well, what if there was a way to make insurance transparent, personalized, and fair, powered by your control over your own data? Welcome to Web3 Insurance, the future of protection in the decentralized world. In the traditional system, insurance companies collect huge amounts of your personal data. They decide your premium using algorithms you'll never see. But Web3 changes everything. With Web3, you decide what data to share and when. You don't need a broker or middleman, just a decentralized platform built on blockchain, smart contracts, and transparency. Here's how it works. Web3 insurance brokers use an asset-first approach. That means, instead of filling out endless forms, you register your assets on the blockchain, say your car, home, or digital investments, and update them anytime. And here's the fun part, users earn tokens for participating, which can be traded or used for rewards. Web3 Insurance also covers decentralized applications (dApps) and DeFi protocols, protecting users from hacks, scams, or unforeseen losses. You get to choose what you want to insure, for how long and against what events, all managed by smart contracts. Let's take an example. Leeds Insurance, a Web3 insurance company that rewards customers while providing coverage. Their platform replaces paperwork and manual claim approvals with automation, powered by blockchain. That means less fraud, lower costs, and faster payouts. According to a report by Curacell, CO, automation like this can reduce insurance operational expenses by up to 25%. In the world of insurance, trust is everything. Web3 technology builds that trust by putting ownership in the hands of the community. Smart contracts guarantee that all agreements are transparent and enforced automatically, no hidden terms, no gatekeepers. This decentralization levels the playing field, letting smaller providers compete and giving customers real options for coverage. So, what makes Web3 insurance so revolutionary? Efficiency, streamlined processes mean faster claims and lower costs. Transparency, every transaction is visible on the blockchain. Security, encrypted smart contracts reduce fraud and cyber threats. Accessibility, people in remote or underserved areas can join global insurance pools. Personalization, policies tailored to your needs, not averages. Innovation, new insurance models like NFT-based coverage and decentralized risk pools. Let's look at how Web3 is already transforming the insurance industry. Parametric weather insurance. For farmers, smart contracts automatically trigger payouts when rainfall or wind data crosses certain levels. Decentralized health insurance. Groups pool resources on blockchain to fund medical needs, no traditional company required. Property insurance. Smart contracts can cover homeowners against natural disasters, instantly verifying claims via sensors or satellite data. Travel insurance. Blockchain automatically confirms delays or cancellations and sends instant compensation. Tokenized asset insurance protects digital assets like crypto and NFTs from theft, fraud, or loss. Of course, Web3 insurance isn't perfect yet. Challenges remain, from regulatory uncertainty to smart contract vulnerabilities and even crypto market volatility. But these growing pains are normal for new technology. As blockchain scales and becomes more stable, Web3 insurance could redefine how trust and protection work in the global economy. Insurance is about one thing, peace of mind. With Web3, that peace of mind comes with transparency, fairness, and empowerment. A world where you own your data, choose your coverage, and even earn from participation. So, whether you're a crypto investor, a business owner, or simply someone looking for better protection, Web3 Insurance is shaping the next chapter of how we all stay secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos that simplify complex ideas. Thanks for watching.